What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and I hope you liked the last few uploads, progress on Scott's car and my car, because yeah, progress is good, baby. However, we are not doing any wrenching on the car today. I showed you last week I had parts unboxing, the brand new Kooks headers, 1 3/4 stainless beast. And I alluded to the fact that because of the blizzard that we dealt with last week, some of the parts didn't arrive on time and were like held up. Well, the short story is they showed up. So we're going to check out some brand new parts today, and parts are good. Yeah. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, I've been slowly getting my garage back to like where it was supposed to be, but all of my favorite brands, I'm working on getting banners for all of them. Got the Maximum, Stiflers, Ford Racing, and of course, Power by the Hour. So, it's slowly coming together, and I've actually got more coming. I need an NPD banner, I need a Hanlon banner, I need a lot of them. Eventually, the entire wall is going to be covered up. And this is going to be like my own personal speed shop, and then of course we'll be building a house, and then I'll have to take them all down, but oh well. The garage is getting pimped, and I'm feeling good about it. But first, let me direct your attention yes, if you've been following the channel for a while, and I really hope you are, because you're missing out if you haven't. Go back and watch all the other videos. This, ladies and gentlemen, is of course the inspection table. And I'll explain it real quick again if you don't know what the inspection table is. Anytime we get new parts, because parts rock, we put them on this table and go over them. Just kind of go over the high points of them, discuss them, and talk about the benefits and all that other stuff, and just kind of like feel on them and enjoy them, because like I said, parts are a beautiful thing. So let's get to the parts. Okay, so when I showed you the headers last week, I told you there was more to it. Well, it's here. And I also told you I'm going for max flow. It's going to be 3-inch with no restrictions anywhere whatsoever. And so, here you go. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Kooks headers and exhaust 3-inch COYOTE Swap X-Pipe. Stainless steel. Got the little Kooks logo right there. Easy hookup. You can take it apart right here, or you can just take the whole thing off right here. These just slide onto the headers, put the clamp on, absolutely zero restriction and flow. I mean, good God. Yeah. That is a beautiful piece. And then of course right here, you can bolt this up to any cat back you want to, whatever you want to do. So what my plan is to get a set of 3-inch flow tubes and take that back to a set of the 3-inch Kooks mufflers. And at this point, like I said, because I have clearance issues with the pan hard bar and it's definitely not coming off, I'm probably just going to do a 3-inch turn down for now to get the car going and running and all that. And we'll just kind of see from there. I know there's a couple different companies, not TVS or VRS or something, makes a 3-inch tailpipe. Have no clue if that'll work. I may get in touch with them. I do know the Flowmaster one will absolutely not work, so I'm definitely not running those tailpipes. So for the meantime, I'm just going to do a 3-inch turn down. It's going to have ridiculous flow. It's going to sound ridiculous, and yeah. No cutting, no welding, no fitment issues. Just gonna bolt that thing on, and she is going to sound 100% demonic. That rocks. All right, so now, since we've got kind of the air out, we've got that figured out. Now we need to get the air in to the COYOTE. And as far as I'm concerned, there was only one place to go to get air into that epic COYOTE, and that would be Jalen Tucker JLT Performance. Now, basically every COYOTE swap I've ever seen runs JLT. The COYOTE stock racers and the NMRA run the JLT. It's basically the industry standard. It makes power, looks great, it fits great. I mean, what's not to love about it? However, that is not the only thing fantastic about JLT. So, they offer these things where you can get your parts hydro dipped, you can get it painted, basically whatever you want. They customize anything that you want. And because I wanted the engine bay to look really good, I was talking to Jay, and I said, you know, I'd kind of like to have it body color. And I was like, what do I need to do? He said, just give me your paint code. Well, I gave him my paint code. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the result. Oh my God. We'll get to that in a minute. But, yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is the cold air. That is EP, the color code for my car, and matches perfectly. Once I get out to Dover's garage, I'm going to put it next to the car and let you check it out. But this is absolutely a thing of beauty. And I'm going to be really careful not to scratch it. But, however, I'm going to show you how it kind of mocks up here. Really don't want to scratch it, but now when you call JLT and order your cold air, I don't recommend doing it online. I recommend calling and just letting them know this is for a Fox body, because these are essentially 11 to 14 Mustang intake kits. So you want this filter, the shorter filter. A lot of people will just order the 11 to 14 thinking it's the same thing. They'll get the longer filter and they'll have some fitment issues. Get the one for the COYOTE SWAP box body kit. Alright, so let's check it out all mocked up. Got the filter on there. Super nice filter, even says JLT on it. And of course this is your MAF housing here. Comes with the gasket. All set to go. Nice black coupler there. Got the plugs, all the lines. That's for your oil separator for the driver's side. But there you go. That, ladies and gentlemen, is going to look ridiculous in the new shaved engine bay. And I didn't stop there. Also got the JLT satin oil separator. This is for the passenger side. Just this snaps in on the intake. This goes to the valve cover. Super nice satin oil separator. Definitely recommend these on any Coyote, just for good insurance. But my God, that is beautiful. Now JLT makes them from basically, you know, the 99 to 04 cars. I think they still have the 94 to 98 stuff. I'm not 100% sure. Definitely need to check their website. But they do a little bit of everything. I mean, your coolant covers, the covers for your fuse panels, like on the S550 cars, the little area when you open the hood on the 11 to 14 cars, they can hydro dip it, paint it, whatever you want, custom colors. I mean, it's a really phenomenal service, and it gives you that like added custom touch that I was looking for, because I didn't want to do just a regular old black or whatever. I really wanted something to stand out, because this car gets seen a lot. You know, it's kind of in the limelight, and so I wanted it to kind of stand out and have some top quality stuff. And this, yeah, that's epic. But I didn't stop there. Okay, so what else did I get? If you've been around Coyotes for any length of time, you know they've got those little plastic engine covers. Well, they had the 11 to 14, and then they had the 15 to 18, and then the 15 to 17, then they changed for the 19. Well, I wanted the car not only to have a good custom look, but I also wanted it to look a little fresher. So I didn't want the 11 to 14 engine cover. I wanted the 15 and up engine cover, just kind of a fresher design. But I also wanted it to match everything else. So, this is what I did. Yeah, just go ahead and feast your eyes on that. That is the 15 and up engine cover. Now what they did, this is painted body color right here. This original Ford engine cover. Sorry, there's a truck coming by and it's really noisy. But this right here is painted EP body color. This right here is also body color. And then this section right here was all hydro dipped in carbon fiber. And then everything's clear coated. That is the engine cover. And then of course, you gotta have the cam covers. Mother of God. Carbon fiber. And then that's painted body color. And then just to kind of show you real quick what it's gonna look like, let me grab the cold air. Mark it up. Hold on here. So the cold air intake comes out of the center there. And then these go on the cam covers. Wow. Just wow. So, am I excited? Yes, I'm excited. JLT freaking rocks. Jay and Linda Tucker, thank you so much for making awesome products. I really appreciate it, and I cannot wait to get back out to Dover's Garage, put them on the engine, and just kind of show you what they're going to look like, because no, I can't wait until I put the engine in the car to put these on, because I want to see what they look like. My God. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out again. Yeah. The world is not ready. Absolutely nailed it. Go big. So, as usual, I wanted to take you to the website here, but it's JLT-TrueColdAir.com. And so first I'll let you check out the intakes. Let's see here. Now, here's the thing. Mine is it is for an 1114, but there are some changes when it comes to the COYOTE swap one. And because I can't necessarily see it on the website, I'm sure it's here. I would definitely recommend calling first. Telephone number is right there on the website. Let's see, but I wanted to let you check out the intakes. Here's the intakes here. And they've got texture black, the color matched, hydrocarbon, basically whatever you want to do. Let's look at these crazy things. Oh my God. Yeah, basically any kind of hydro dip you want to do, any color you want to do, nothing to it. But what's really cool, let's go all the way back here, is, let's see, under hood dress up. Yeah, well, I think I passed this. Here we go. So it doesn't matter what car you've got, all the way up to the 2018s. You can dress them up. But here are the coil covers. Those are the ones I've got right there. Just bolt onto the cam covers, and then like your intake covers. Now this is the older style. This is the 11 to 14. Just a little bit different, but like here's one they did and gotta have it green and carbon. Let's see. Let's go through these because these are sick. Look at like skull hydro dip. That is sick. And grabber blue. Little gotta have it green. Red. Yeah. Mark. Too cool. And that's the, like I said, that's the 11 to 14. And, of course, mine's the 15 to 17. But they've got just all kinds of stuff. Definitely stop by their website and check them out. Even the degas tank, they can paint or coat that. So, yeah, pretty sick. And then they don't have just Mustang stuff. They got Ford truck stuff. Like, I got to check out this Raptor intake. I don't know, it's 5.0 intake, but yeah. We got 11 to 14 F-150, whatever. Doesn't matter. They've got it for you. I love what they do. It would cost you a bloody fortune to take these parts to like a body shop and have them paint it or something like that. So I love the fact that they do it. JLT, 2 thumbs up from me. So there you go, guys. Parts train rolling on. I am so super pumped. Yeah, this has been a long time coming, but the parts are rolling in and the car's coming together. The main thing we're going to be focused on right now is getting the engine bay done, because you can't really do anything else until then. But I am looking into fuel system parts, still trying to figure out something with a transmission, need a clutch, and then just some miscellaneous stuff. That's really it. I mean, seriously, it's kind of getting to that point where, like you saw Scott's car the other day, pretty much in. That's pretty much where my car's going. But yeah, big things coming, and trust me when I say you will be there for the first fire of Scott's car and my car. And then once the car's back together, we're going to be dyno testing it and tuning it. Then we're going to be going to the drag strip. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to get some tires and stuff like that for the drag testing, but no worries, we'll figure something out. So, in the meantime, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe. 5 brand new videos a week, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. My email's in the description if you have any beatdown videos. Go back and watch the Friday beatdown videos. I try to do one every Friday. I think I can kind of put one together for tomorrow, but I'm not 100% sure. But if you have any great shenanigans in your car, donuts, burnouts, whatever, send those to me, email in the description, and I will catch up with you tomorrow. Peace!